Wanyoma, how do I say come and see, come and eat, and come and drink in Igbo language? Come and see. Bia le, mobo, bia horo, mobo, bia kire. How do I say come and eat? Bia re, that is come and eat. Then come and eat food. Bia renri, Come and drink. Bia ngo, Come and drink water. Bia ngo miri, Come and drink wine. Bia ngo manya, Ndewo.